Hello my friends, today I am going to start a 2022 full stack web development bootcamp course for absolute beginners. You may have a question, what is a full stack web developer? Don't you worry, your question has been heard. A full stack web developer is someone who is capable of developing both the front end and the back end of a website and is capable of deploying the website over the internet without anybody's help. Now you have more question. What is the front end? What is the back end? We will answer all of these questions in later videos. So what will you get from this course? This course will help those who have zero prior knowledge or skills about web development to achieve the mastery in this field. After successful completion of this course, you will be an intermediate to advanced level full stack web developer. Stay tuned for that. So, through this entire course, what we will cover? At the front end part, we are gonna cover number 1. We will know the basics of how the internet works. Number 2. How to set up a web development environment in your PC or Mac. Number 3. Languages like HTML5, CSS and JavaScript for front-end web development, Ajax, JavaScript algorithms and data structures. These will help you also in the back-end because nowadays Node.JS is used for the back-end. It's a very popular back-end platform and it works with JavaScript. So if you learn JavaScript, you will be capable to develop the front end and the back end also. YelpCamp, Asynchronous JavaScript, CSS, sass, grid, flexbox, Bootstrap libraries, React.js for modern and interactive websites, React with Redux, DOM manipulation and Jquery. These are the front end part. Now, what we will learn for the backend part? Node.js, of course, for the server-side code and server-side programming. Express.js with Node.js, APIs, Git, GitHub and version control, databases, MongoDB, Mongoose. After that, we will learn putting everything together and deploying into the internet. RESTful APIs, authentication and security, login, password, etc. Microservices with Node.js and React.js, basics of Docker and basics of TypeScript. We are going to cover all of these in this entire full stack web development 2022 course. I know there are a lot of grounds to cover, but don't worry, we will learn with patience and absolute details. So let's start our journey together. If you are interested to be a full stack web developer and achieve mastery in this field, then please hit the subscribe button below and hit the like button also to appreciate my efforts. That would be very much helpful. One more thing, hit the bell icon also. You will find it beside the subscribe icon to get updates whenever I post a new video on the tutorial. Now signing off, I am Ronit. Thank you for staying with me.